Hi guys, for today's video ay may i-share na naman po akong isang virtual assistant job site. Ito po ang Outsourcing Angel. So, the trusted brand in premium outsourcing. At Outsourcing Angel, we believe business growth should know no limits. We connect you with top-tier offshore talent and provide end-to-end outsourcing solution so you can focus on scaling your business and living with intention. Um, so let's read. Our mission and vision to empower business with offshore solution and skilled talent so they can grow faster and live with intention, vision to create location and time freedom for entrepreneurs to live more intentionally. So administrator, copywriters, customer service representative, digital marketing, e-commerce specialist, email marketing, graphic designer, lead generation specialist. So let's click for hiring. So this is the job that they offer right now or available to this site. So check natin. So let's click apply now. So this is the available job. BA primarily for graphic design, sales, cold calling and scheduling, finance, account receivable clerk, appointment setter, executive assistant to general manager, finance and admin, social media, customer service via RIAMAs or email, chat, social comments and basic admin tasks, social media management, LinkedIn, Instagram content creation and scheduling, content and social media specialist full-time remote, bookkeeping, admin and social media BA, CRM data coordinator, admin task client onboarding and social media management, full-time acquisition manager, admin or customer service with some marketing content creation, part-time analytics specialist, part-time administration and conveyancing, customer support and player retention, marketing support and content creation, part-time virtual assistant for marketing CRM content support, administration social media management, marketing assistant with social media, full stack developer, back-end developer, front-end developer, supply chain BE, video editor social media, executive assistant, full-time Facebook and TikTok ad specialist, sales development representative or SDR, full-time VA, marketing management, media buyer, bookkeeper, senior executive assistant night shift, senior executive assistant day shift, sales assistant for inbound and outbound outreach, customer and sales support officer, social media and email marketing coordinator. So, how do I apply for virtual assistant job? The job listed on this website are the virtual assistant roles we currently recruiting for. So, to apply for any of these position, simply select read more on this position you would like to apply for, then fill out the application form with your personal details and experience details and sample of your work. How do I check on the progress of my application? If your application is successful, one of our team members will get in touch with you so you can proceed to the next stage of recruitment. If any of our team members do not contact you, you may not have been selected for the role you applied for. But don't worry, our team will save your application for any future job opportunity that may be more suitable for you. Due to the amount of application we receive, so let's application received. We are not able to respond to every application. Kindly refrain from asking about your job application status on social media channels and main website. Our admin team handling these platforms do not have access to your files, so you will receive an automated response instead. Please be patient while we truly review your application. Do I need virtual assistance experience to apply a job? Outsourcing Angel, we know getting started quickly is important. That's why we prioritize matching clients with experienced virtual assistant BAs whose skills closely align with our specific needs. But don't worry if you're new to the VA world, we also welcome application from candidates with background in business process outsourcing or BPO who have transferable skills that can shine in remote work for virtual assistant. So let's click apply now. If you are interested to apply in this company, so this is the form. So fill out the form. So job application, put your name. Okay, job ad code can be found on the job. So if none, type NA and then your name and then your last name, email address, personal phone number, alternative number, Facebook profile, and then LinkedIn profile if you have, and then personal background, sex or gender, marital status, province, address, educational attainment, college, university attended, course degree, work background, years of remote work experience, currently employed, working, salary expectation, availability, weekend work, and skills, tools, apps, software. Referred by, where did you hear about us, and requirements. Photo, profile photo, cover letter, CV or resume, portfolio, video intro, please see guide. So there is a guide, so you can watch the guide, custom background, a link, and then principles and test result. So you can drag the result here. So then submit your application. So ganun lang. So nabasa naman natin yung kung paano tayo mag-apply and then yung processing ng application nyo. So that's it. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to and mag-apply na kayo. So sabi nga nila, kung hindi daw selected yung uh, application ninyo is wag daw tayong mag-alala. Meron pa naman po daw job opportunities na babagay sa ating skills or sa ating yung nababagay sa atin. So siguro wala naman po mawawala kung magta-try po tayo mag-apply. And then yeah, be patient lang. Hindi naman lahat is agad-agad natatanggap kasi may mga talagang mas may alam sa trabahong ito and then so meron din naman tayong alam, so nakadepende lang po sa atin, nakadepende sa skills natin at sa job of ano nila, description yung kanilang i-hire. So, yun lang. Sana ay nakatulong itong video na to. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa akin channel for more video for regarding job, legit job site. So, thank you.